A scientist once invented a chemical so sticky it glued everything together, including the lab equipment. So they threw it away. Years later, that mistake became superglue. In 1942, during the middle of the World War II, scientists in the United States were working on a very specific problem. They were trying to develop clear plastic for precision gun sights used by soldiers. One of the chemists on the project was Harry Coover. While experimenting with different chemicals, his team discovered a new substance called cyanoacrylate. But there was a major problem. The chemical stuck to everything: lab equipment, glass, tools, even their fingers. It bonded materials almost instantly, and once something was stuck together, it was nearly impossible to pull apart. For scientists trying to carefully build optical equipment, this was a disaster. The chemical was simply too sticky to work with, so Coover and his team rejected the material and moved on. The discovery was basically forgotten. Nearly a decade later, in 1951, Coover was working at the company Eastman Kodak. Once again, researchers were testing chemicals that could be used in manufacturing. During one experiment, a researcher placed a thin layer of the same substance between two lenses. When they tried to pull the lenses apart, they couldn't. The lenses had bonded together instantly. At that moment, Coover realized something important. What they had dismissed years earlier as a failed experiment was actually something far more valuable. Instead of being useless, it was one of the strongest and fastest adhesives ever discovered. The substance was developed into a commercial product and eventually became known as superglue. But the story didn't stop there. During the Vietnam War, superglue found an unexpected and life-saving use. Medics in the field needed a way to quickly seal wounds and stop bleeding before injured soldiers could reach a hospital. Doctors discovered that cyanoacrylate could temporarily seal cuts and injuries in seconds. In some cases, it helped to keep soldiers alive long enough to receive proper medical treatment. Today, specially designed medical versions of cyanoacrylate are used in hospitals as skin adhesives, something replacing traditional stitches. What started as a failed experiment became one of the most useful inventions in the world. Superglue is now used in electronics, construction, medicine, and everyday repairs. And every time someone fixes something with a tiny tube of glue, they're using a discovery that scientists once tried to throw away. Don't forget to follow Learnify for more tech and history explanations.